Hi, this is going to be a quick intro to looking at databases at Brooklyn Tech Library. From our website, you're going to go to the research link. You will need the password, which you can get at the library or by emailing a librarian. I've already put it in, so it's going to go straight to the list of databases. The first two, JSTOR and ProQuest, are commonly used in universities. These are expensive and will give you access to articles that usually you have to pay for if you find them on Google. You may try to look for them in here. JSTOR is a database of quality academic journals and also ebooks, but they may not be as recent. ProQuest is a search tool, so it searches multiple databases and it has a broader range of media, tends to be more current. The next the next five are free in New York State. So it will ask you if you're in New York and you have to say yes to get access. Opposing Viewpoints has articles about art, has articles on controversial topics. Academic One File has a broad range of journal articles. Gale Database has a list of other databases you can access through here. And Salem Online is ebooks that are mostly about literature, but they also have other research topics. And there's more free resources below. I want to focus on ProQuest for a minute. I already started a search here. I'm looking for the results of a search on the Battle of Marathon in quotes because I'm looking for this as a phrase rather than the word battle or the word marathon. I'm trying to find the impact of the moon on that battle. So I've gotten down to 82 results. Before I had quotes, I had over 1,400 results. So I want to limit it even more. So these are some ways to narrow down your search. First, I'm going to limit it by full text articles because I don't want to read abstracts, just short little summaries. And I'm also looking for peer-reviewed. I could just say scholarly journals, but I'm going to say peer-reviewed here and see if that makes a difference. This means reviewed by experts in the field. So I'm down to 11 scholarly journal articles. I'm not so concerned about publication date because this is a historical event and research from 1994 is fine. I can look at publication title. That might help me because I'm not looking for resources in poetry or medicine. So classical antiquity might be the way to go. These are just a few tips on how to narrow down your searches and spend less time searching and find the kind of results you need. We can teach you more of these tricks and hope to see you and help you with your research in the library, or if not, contact us and see if we can help you that way. Thank you very much.